In this video, let's take a look how to create a custom link like this on your storefront. You can do that simply just by hitting create a new product again and selecting the custom link. This is a great feature when you have like affiliates link that you want to showcase in your storefront, or you, for example, want to connect your YouTube video or blog posts directly on the storefront so people can visit your other sites or websites. So you can do that by creating the custom link right here. You will see this preview right here of the card, and you can simply put there the title of the custom links. So I will use this one, and you can put the URL link where you want to drive your visitors right here. So I will copy Flowlance website, and you can see that we already prepare the thumbnail of the link for you. And you can customize this preview like this. You can show or hide the URL, so there will be only the button, or you can let the URL visible. You can also write a short description right here. And you can also upload your own thumbnail again right here, and you can change the layout, or you can leave it as it is. Also, you can use the custom link preview as a callout or just as a button right here. So you can basically have only one button, and you can customize the button text right here. So you can change it on this. The color of the button, you can edit in the design of your store. So don't worry about it here. Okay, and this is it. This is how you can edit your custom links and drive visitors on other pages or websites as you want. See you in the next video.